Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with a new eye look, but before getting into the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. So my eye base is already done. I'm going to take green eyeshadow and put it on my crease area, and I'm going to blend it nicely. I'll blend out the harsh edges and I'll take orange eyeshadow as transition shade and blend it in circular motion. I'm taking concealer and making a cut on my crease. I'm again taking a green eyeshadow and putting it in my outer corner. Take yellow eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelid. I'll making sure both the colors are merged nicely.